Very thrilling, very dangerous news from the T20 World Cup. Yes, because Bangladesh out from the World Cup. ICC throw Bangladesh out from the World Cup. Now the place of Bangladesh. Scotland take the place of Bangladesh. The T20 World Cup starting from the 7th February. 7th February. What this is happen? What is the reason? Listen carefully. Bangladesh refuses to play the match in India. To play the match in the India, Bangladesh completely refuses. ICC told them many times, but they not change their mind. And at last, ICC take the strict action and Bangladesh thrown the Bangladesh from the T20 World Cup. What happened in the Bangladesh we already know. Many Hindus are killed in the Bangladesh, so there is some tension between the two countries now. Two countries now there is a tension, and this is another tension increasing news for the Bangladesh. Bangladesh also faces the tremendous loss of money. Yes, Bangladesh faces of this because the cancellation of the match, and ICC in further told that they also again the strict action against the Bangladesh. In further they can also take the strict action. So this is share this news, very breaking, shocking news. And if you like, subscribe, share, thanks.